Hi friends! So you know this place, this is a Medan Hotel, and today I am here at a building which is next to this landmark. So I'm going to show you this one bedroom apartment tour which is having this view. Yes, it is full Burj Khalifa and skyline view. I am at Medan and this is a one bed apartment ready to move in with fully equipped kitchen. So this is the sample one bed apartment. You can see with furnitures, you can see it is very spacious. I'm at the living area now. It has got sofa as well as dining chairs within the living room. Still it is very much spacious. I can see it. Very nice quality. You can feel it over here, and I like to show you outside from my living area. This is the skyline view directly from my living area, so you can imagine how the location is. It is a very great location and in the center of Dubai. So if you are looking forward to purchase any property with this view, you should definitely consider this property, and it is ready to move in. So you can pay a little amount of down payment and you can move in. See, this is the bedroom. I am here now. All these chandeliers and everything are included when you are buying this property. You just have to bring in your furnitures. So this is the washroom. You can see high-end fittings over here with this washroom. All the things which I see are of like great brands. Very nice finishing in this location, Medan. It is an amazing pricing they have put. So this is a brand new property, and the kitchen is fully equipped. It comes with refrigerator, oven, washing machine is within the kitchen itself. So everything is of a great brand over here, which I can see it. Good number of storage spaces. And people who are living with closed kitchen, definitely they can approach me to get this property booked at a very nominal amount at this location. You know, when you are buying a property, location is the key. And of course, this is a freehold property. So it comes with a payment plan and it is ready to move in. I can see it is a very nice quality. People who are looking for the quality with the value for money prices, this is the actual property they should consider on. It is within the city, downtown, Business Bay, Al Quoz, Barsha, everything is nearby. So let me show you what the building has to offer you. You can see these are the amenities buildings has to offer, and these are some of the types of one bed apartment. So I'm showing you only 3 types over here, but there are different types also available for you to choose on. So if you like this video, please hit a like button, subscribe to my channel, and the bell icon is a must to get the regular updates. If you have any questions regarding this property, or if you need to know about the payment plan or pricing, feel free to give me a call on the given number. I'll help you out to book the property. Thank you.